This is Ron Skydio Brown here today with another video on the new Skydio drone that was released in December of last year already 2019 in the books. And in this video, I was at the beach and I got the opportunity to track a black Jeep. I was just kind of flying along, and out of the corner of my eye I see a black Jeep quickly riding down the beach, because in the wintertime there's not many people on the beach, so they're allowed to take their four-wheel vehicles on the beach at that time of year. So he's kind of flying down the beach, and I see him out of the corner of my eye, and luckily he drives right into like my the camera view of the Skydio. And I'm on them for just a few seconds, and the plus button comes up. So I hit for a car, it's a little icon of a car. So it recognized that it was a car. I hit the icon of the car, and then followed it off to the beach, out to the street. When it got out to the street, the guy canceled and took control of the drone back over again, and did kind of like a reverse droney to show you the city in the background. And then after that, I did a little tracking of myself, walking around over the dunes on the beach, trying to jog a little bit and get away from it. And of course, I can't. It followed me real well. And I was using the controller during all this filming in the video. And the second half of the video, it's just some kind of random shots of me flying around the beach, with the controller, the deserted wintertime beach at the filmed all this at the we'll say the end of December. It was still December when all this footage was filmed, but it was kind of neat as my first time tracking anything but a human. So it was kind of neat seeing it really stay with that Jeep. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me give me any feedback on what you thought about it, the video, about how the Skydio performed in the tracking. And I know a lot of people, the Skydio is not. A lot of people can't get their head around what the Skydio can do and what it's for and whatever. And I can't really blurt it out in a couple sentences either. But it's been fun, and I enjoy flying it. And like I said, I hope you enjoy the video. And if you do, hit that thumbs up button, and go over and subscribe to my channel, and ring that notification bell to see more videos on the Skydios and other drones and camera and tech products. We cover a lot of ground over here. And don't forget to join my Facebook groups, RC World and Xeno Nation. And don't forget about the show on Monday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Xeno Nation, which is hosted by Marcus Crawford and myself. And we talk about the Xeno and other affordable drones. And we basically talk about everything on the show, but we're trying to concentrate on affordable drones. But we do mention stuff like the Skydio and the Mavics and the Altels and the better drones too. So I think you'll enjoy it. You can check it out. If it's not your cup of tea, that's fine. But at least give us a look. So okay, we're going to roll the video now, and I hope you enjoy it.